Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to stroll with the portable system. And we're going to do some extended testing. Because we're going to test some NeoGeo on this little blue me machine. Okay, the question is how it's going to run and is it even playable on this thing. Let's play some games, let's play some NeoGeo and let's have some fun! Alright, let's test out Metal Slug, one of my favorite games. How can I enter credit? Oh. Alright, let's see what...
Mission 1,
start. So, the sound is not perfect, you can already hear it. It's not clear. But nevertheless, it's playable. Got a little frame drops here and there. Alright, let's test another game. Alright, let's play a little bit with the analog stick. It feels so cheap, this thing, this analog stick, but it responds perfectly, as you can see. Oh, almost. The brakes are the best.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
rather play with a D-pad because I look like horrible for this game. Oh.
an ex-US Army scientist.
Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the NeoGeo part on the PAP KIII, I must say I'm very surprised. The sound itself is not perfect, it's not crystal clear, but you can see on, let's say, the LDK or other different portable systems. But for the money people, we can't complain. It's a pretty decent frame rate, and as you can see, the game run fine. Let me know what you think of this, I would really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome wicked content, and stay updated. And if you like video games, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel, because we have a lot of stuff going on there. See you next time. Bye bye. Yo, it's time for some PAP KIII extended testing. No, that didn't go very well. Reset.